food variety, materials and sources. Students, we exercise, we do our daily work by eating food containing carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water. These all are required for energy, growth, development. Materials required for growth and maintenance of our body are nutrients. Food is basic source of nutrients. The nutritious things which we eat for obtaining the nutrients is food. Varieties of food: fruits, vegetables, cereals, eggs, meat, fish, dairy products. Single food does not provide all the nutrients. Mix all these items to prepare a food. For example, dal, Indian food dish, pulses, water, salt, oil, spices are required to prepare dal. These items are called as ingredients. Sambar, South Indian dish. Tamarind broth, lentils, vegetables are the ingredients to cook sambar. What are the ingredients for cooked rice, students? Simple. Raw rice, water. Only 2 ingredients. For chapati, we need wheat flour, water, oil. Our country has varieties of food in different places such as Kashmir, Rogan Josh, Northeast, fish, South, idli sambar and West, dal dhoklas. From where we obtain the food ingredients? Yes, we obtain food ingredients from plant and animal sources. So plants give us grains, fruits, vegetables. Some kind of plants are grown in an area which is agriculture. Crop used to obtain food is called food crop. Animals give us milk, meat, eggs, chicken, fish. Different food items from a single kind of food like milk, we get butter, cream, cheese, curd. The nutritious things which we eat for obtaining the nutrients are called as food. Varieties in food sources are animals and plants. Children, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Requested not to share to the other groups. Sources of food: food we obtain for our daily maintenance and growth of our body from plants and animals. Parts of plants as food: roots as food, sweet potato, carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip. Stems as food: potato, onion, sugarcane, ginger, garlic, turmeric. Leaves as food: cabbage, spinach, onion leaves. Flowers are very attractive. Flowers as food. Rose is used for rose petal jam called as gulkan. Cauliflower for vegetable. Jasmine oil, sunflower oil is also used. Fruits as food. Fruits like apple, banana, watermelon, guava, mango, grapes are rich in nutrients. Seeds as food. Food grains such as wheat, rice, maize, jowar are healthy and good. Soya bean, groundnut, mustard are used as edible oil and also raw ingredients in the food. Sprouts as food. Sprouts obtained from seeds, moong, chana, soya bean, soaked in water in a large bowl for a day. Moong is soaked in a large bowl for a day, and second day take it on a wet cloth and cover it from a wet cloth, and third day you will get the sprouted seeds. These sprouted seeds can be eaten directly without the need of cooking. These sprouted seeds are more nutritious than the raw seeds. They are healthy for us. We can eat it directly. So these are plants, parts of plants as food. Food from animals. Let us see food from animals. Animals like cow, buffalo, goat, sheep give us milk. Milk products are called as dairy products like cheese, curd, butter, ghee, etc. Eggs we get from chicken, duck, turkey. Duck and turkey eggs are larger than the chicken eggs. Meat we get from goat, sheep, chicken. Seafood such as fish, prawn, crabs are very healthy for us. They are rich in iron. Seafood. Honey we get from the nectar collected by the bees. Nectar is nothing but a sweet juice in flowers. Bees collect the nectar, keep it in their living place called beehive, and we get it as a honey. Students, don't go to tingle the bees. They are very arrogant and they will sting you and you will be hurt from that. The pain is unbearable. Students, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't go to share the video to other groups. Types of animals based on food habits. Animals eat plants, meat, plants and animals. Based on that, plant eating animals, meat and plants and meat eating animals are differently named: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Plants eating animals are herbivores. Herb, plants. Vores, eater. Vores means eater. So herb, plants, eater. Vores, plants, eater, herbivores. Example for herbivores: cow, goat, horse, deer, giraffe, butterflies. Cow has flat and broad teeth. It chews the grass and stores it in the stomach. And when it is relaxed, it brings back it to the mouth with the help of a bacteria called rumen present in the animal. The process of chewing the food by bringing it into mouth from the stomach is called rumination. So hummingbird, butterfly have a needle-like beak for sucking the nectar from the flowers. Carnivores, carne, meat, ores, eater, meat eater are called carnivores, like bear. Seals, fishes, meat eaters, carnivores. Examples for carnivores: lion, tiger, fox, eagle, snake, spider, shark, etc. Lion has got sharp and pointed teeth, sharp claws, strong jaw, back teeth to eat flesh, to tear and eat flesh. Carnivores such as eagle has curved pointed beak to eat animals. Chameleon has long tongue to catch insects. Omnivores, omni, all, meat, plants, fruits, all types of food eaters. Omnivores are all types of food eaters such as human beings. Example: human, bear, raccoon, crow, chicken, lizard, rat. Humans have teeth of different size inside the mouth, like incisors, canines and premolars, to chew both meat and vegetables, fruits. Omnivores such as crow, chicken, sparrow have sharp and pointed beak to eat insects. Plants eating animals, herbivores. Animal eating animals are called as carnivores. So parasites live on or in the other animal's body and obtain nutrients from their body. For example, tapeworm, fleas. Bacteria, virus, protozoa such as plasmodium are parasites. Scavengers like vulture feed on dead animals or plants. Decomposers, bacteria, decomposes or breaks down complex organic materials, parts of dead animals, dead plants, waste materials into inorganic substances like iron, nitrogen. Due to decomposition, the soil gets nutrients which is further available for the plants. Students, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.